Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Thanks for joining me. Obviously you've checked out my website, you've probably checked out my webinar or my video program. I want to thank you for doing that. Obviously you're looking to get started, you're looking to do something, right? Maybe you've been thinking about starting a side business for a while. Maybe you're unsure about the steps involved. How do you find hot products? How do you go about finding suppliers in China? How do you even get started with Amazon, right? Let me tell you, I've been there before. I know exactly how it feels. I, myself, 10 years ago, I actually started my first online business. I had no clue. I was unsure about who to trust. I was unsure about what to sell online. Well, let me tell you guys, I've been there, I've done it. I know exactly how you feel. And I've actually got a list. If that's your challenge right now, if you're uncertain about what you're selling on Amazon or selling online, right? I have a list of about 50 hot products you can sell right now. 50 hot products. So that can no longer be an obstacle for you working with me. 50 hot products that will enable you to jump up and suppliers to jump on and start selling these on sites like Amazon, right? So guys, check it out. Hopefully, if you have questions, that's great. I love questions. Check out my website. If you have questions, contact me, connect with me fast. All right, we do have a special offer. I'm not too sure when it's going to end. My name's Alex Ryan, guys. Again, thank you so much for joining me, and thanks so much for visiting my website and knowing a little bit more about me. And hopefully, I will work with you very soon. I'm a bit tired out right now. Oh, it's walking. It's 33 bloody degrees in Sydney. So have an awesome day. I'm gonna head out for lunch now. See you later, guys.